So here we are at part number 3. How we will start? We see here a rectangle 100 by 200. We draw that rectangle, make these chamfers, two chamfers 20 by 45 degree, make these two slots, this for circle, 4 holes, and after that make this cut and finish with this profile from here. So let's get started. We will choose now top plane. So draw that rectangle 200 by 100. Okay, draw that slot. One is okay. I forgot we make this here an axis. We choose here midpoint. Okay, from here to here is 50. This one is 50 length, radius 6, and from base to here is 20. How we see it? Park 20. Okay, now we select it, click right click, select chain, and we select this line, the middle, from middle, and we go on mirror entity. Now we draw that 4 circles. We draw here first one, and we will use linear sketch pattern. So here is, this is 150. Okay, by 60 from here. Park 60, and we give a diameter of 10. Okay, linear sketch pattern. Here we select 2 lines, we select the circle, and we see here 40 by 50, 40 by 50 millimeters. Okay, give it the dimension 50. Okay, extrude by 20 millimeters. Okay, make that chamfers 20 by 20 or 20 by 45 degree. Here and here. And draw that profile. We go to right plane, sketch. We make the center line. Draw 2 circles. 2. This one is 2550 as a diameter, and this one 20, just 20. Okay, we select the line, we search here to, okay, this edge, so okay, if it's like that, I don't know, if you make a mistake, a little mistake, you select the line and the circle and apply a relation, name it tangent. Okay, now trim it, attack. Okay, need to constrain, not selected, is 60. Okay, futures, extrude 20. Now we will make that cut. So go on front plane, sketch, rectangle, select this point here, make a rectangle. Okay, is 80 by 10 millimeters. Okay, now it's full constraint, futures, extrude cut, all the way or up to next, through all or up to next. So this is it, isometric view. See you next example. Cheers.